fine until what happened.
Say that again?
I was doing fine until what happened.
What happened?
Well, I walked in here, and the first thing I looked at was the Hello Kitty stuff, and this girl comes up and says, "Are you looking at something and help you look for something?" And I said, "Oh, I just walked in here. I just started looking if that's okay." And then
she basically said, like, Chinese people never give me a chance to do any, like, work or shop around. And I'm not even Chinese, so I took that as racism. And I really don't tolerate that at all with my family, because I know, like, it really affected my mom back then. So when she was racist to me, I just, like, it just escalated from there, like, after she was being racist to me.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Alright. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No, never.
Okay, calm down.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Calm down.
Yes, sir.
I'm not, this is what's gonna happen, okay? Alright? You wanna go take a ride? Okay? It's just a battery, alright?
February 4th, 2024, Orange County, Florida. A store employee and a customer clash verbally, and it escalates fast. The question: does the reason behind a physical attack change whether it is a crime?
Hi.
How you doing?
Hello.
fine until what happened.
Say that again?
I was doing fine until what happened.
What happened?
Well, I walked in here, and the first thing I looked at was the Hello Kitty stuff, and this girl comes up and says, "Are you looking at something and help you look for something?" And I said, "Oh, I just walked in here. I just started looking if that's okay." And then she walked away and then immediately came back and said, "Oh, I was just asking. You don't have to be such a about it." And as I was walking away, I said, "Oh, I was just trying to match your attitude." And as I'm walking away, she's like, "Oh, we're just trying to tell you that, because your lipstick's all messed up." And I said, "Oh, okay, thanks. So it's your face." And my back was turned. I was completely walking away. And she comes up behind me and yanks down my hair in my head. And then I fall to the ground. And as I'm on the ground, she's like yelling, like, "Can't even say anything to me." And then she hits me right in my face. Unprovoked. It wasn't even, my back was turned. It was just strange words, and then she just attacked me. And it's just not okay.
Where is she at?
She's my daughter. She's crying. She's crying. She's in the back. I didn't see what happened, but she told me that.
There's all those cameras.
Yeah.
Where did it happen?
Right in front.
Right there?
Right in front of the,
Like right at the doorway here?
in between the registers and where the Hello Kitty stuff is. She just came up and behind me and yanked my
We should have cameras.
head
Yes.
and I fell to the ground.
Yeah, I didn't know what happened.
While I was
I
on the
heard.
ground, she still continued to beat me down.
How long has this happened?
Oh gosh, I don't know, maybe it was like 20, 30 minutes ago now, I'm not sure.
It's
And I
like
was
over
just
an hour
shocked. I
ago.
just
About
stood
over an
up
hour ago?
Yeah, I think so. Because
So
I was trying to calm her down, like maybe half an hour, so.
Okay.
Half an hour, 40 minutes.
So you're saying this on camera?
I think we should have camera. When did? Sorry, I wasn't.
No, you're
sure.
good. You're good. You're good.
It happened right here.
This is very.
Okay. All right. I think we have that. Y'all can check our camera.
Hello Kitty stuff. Okay.
It's happened right here. Right? Nobody see anything.
Did
We
anyone
just
else?
heard the word exchange.
Anyone see anything?
I was here. I didn't see nothing.
Okay. All right.
No, that's why I think
Did anyone know?
nobody see anything. That's a problem.
So your cameras record right here?
Yeah.
They got some face in there.
Yeah.
Are you able to pull up your cameras right here?
I'm asking him to.
Okay.
Yeah. Because they exchange. I think she's on some kind of medication, so I got to come with her after she drinks. She feel a little better. But I think
I just want to clear your daughter.
Oh, of course, of course. That's why
yeah.
I want you to come here.
Yes.
You know, she said, I want to charge you. I want to sue this, sue that. But it's very, very odd
Yeah.
because
Where is your daughter?
Yeah,
she's in the back because she's crying too.
Well, can we talk to her too?
Of course.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
While you get the cameras and everything,
I have
we'll go talk to your daughter real quick. And
Yeah.
Get her
You
side.
say this way?
Yeah, this way. I
This
told her to
way?
go to
She
this
said
side.
this.
Sorry. I never been here before.
I was about to go that way too.
Sorry.
It is kind of like a whole big market.
Yeah, I know. In the day too, I say, you know, this is my money making day.
This is your money making day.
I've never been in there. It looks very nice in there. So.
Thank you.
What kind of clothes your daughter have on?
I'm sorry.
What color clothes did your daughter?
She wearing a jean with the jacket, jean jacket. Not jean jacket, but it's sweater.
Okay, yeah.
Blue. That's her. That's her.
That's her straightening up the Hello Kitty?
Hello Kitty. That's her.
Okay. What color? What?
She's right here.
What? No. What color? I'm trying to think. What color clothes she have on?
Like right now.
Yeah, black.
She no, not the daughter.
The daughter.
The other lady.
I don't want to say this, but she got up here.
I know, but we still have to see. I mean, you have the video of it, so we can at least.
Next time over here, and then we're watching the video right now. But over there with her son.
Florida Statute Section 784.03. Battery occurs when a person intentionally strikes another against their will. One non-consensual contact is enough. The suspect grabbed the victim from behind, pulled her down by her hair, and struck her in the face. Every element of the statute satisfied. The suspect's defense. The victim made a racially charged comment and she snapped. Emotionally understandable. Legally, it does not hold. In City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, the Supreme Court held that offensive speech, even discriminatory speech, is protected under the First Amendment. Verbal provocation does not authorize a physical response. The counterargument is heat of passion. Defense attorneys may argue extreme emotional disturbance reduces culpability. Under Florida law, that doctrine exists, but it applies to homicide, not battery. It does not eliminate intent. The moment she made contact, the crime was complete. Then there is Miranda. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, statements from a custodial interrogation are inadmissible unless the suspect was first advised of the right to remain silent and the right to counsel. The officer questioned her fully before arrest and got a complete admission. Courts define custody as the point a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. By that stage, that line was likely crossed. No Miranda warning on camera.
Okay. How old are you? 19. Okay. Let's have you step outside here and we're going to have a talk. She's going to make, Step right here. So, tell us what happened?
Can I have my mask on?
Yes, go inside, Mom. She doesn't want to talk in front of you.
So what happened was, I went up to her because I work here, and I'm in customer service, so when I came up over here, I asked her,
We're going to speak over here, okay? We're going to get away from everybody. Be comfortable. As comfortable as you can get.
and she basically said, like, Chinese people never give me a chance to do any, like, work or shop around, and I'm not even Chinese, so I took that as racism, and I really don't tolerate that at all with my family, because I know, like, it really affected my mom back then. So when she was racist to me, I just, like, it just escalated from there, like, after she was being racist to me, because after she said the Chinese thing, like, I thought she was being racist, because that's how I took it. She said Chinese people never give other people a chance to shop around, and then I said, excuse me? And then she said, like, yeah, I said it. And then I was like, I was in shock for a little bit. And then after a little bit, I thought about what she said. I came back, I said, okay, like, you don't have to be about it. Like, just because I asked if you needed help or anything, you don't have to say anything about it. Like, you don't have to be racist towards me about it. And then she said, oh, I wasn't being racist, it's just true. And then that's when I told her. Yep.
Well, you're going to be placed up on the rest, so you got to turn around.
No? What's up? Come on. You realize what you did was
Really wrong.
Okay. Alright. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Alright. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No, never.
Okay, calm down.
Yes, sir.
Alright? Calm down.
Yes, sir.
I'm not, this is what's gonna happen, okay? Alright? You wanna go take a ride? Okay? It's just a battery, alright? Your parents can come and get you out today. I need you to calm down. Okay? Alright?
Sorry.
Alright, we're gonna walk over to my car, so we're not gonna do it right here in front of everybody.
Okay.
So I need you to be compliant and I need you to be calm about it and be a big girl about it, okay? Alright? We're gonna be humble about it and everything, okay?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Let's go. Alright, do you have anything on you? Do you have anything on you? Anything on you? Do you have anything sharp on you? Anything that you want you to keep with your mom? Anything like that? You want to keep jewelry with your mom or anything like
I'll
that?
keep this one, Mom.
We'll take it,
Thank
alright?
you.
You want to take your necklace?
You want your necklace to stay with your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, well, we're gonna give you a chance, okay?
I don't know how to take it off.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine.
I'm nervous.
You're just nervous right now.
Listen,
I'm sorry.
I understand.
I know.
Alright? Like I said, it's not a felony. Alright?
I'm so scared.
Alright.
When she was racist, I never heard
I
she would
got
be
you.
racist to me.
Listen. You can use that in your defense, okay?
Yes.
Unfortunately, statute doesn't protect that, okay?
Yes.
Okay? Alright, here, we're gonna go over here. Alright, just come with us, okay? Don't run off, don't do anything, don't worry, okay? Alright, let's go. We're gonna do an out of sight of everybody, okay? And we'll explain to your mom what we're doing, Yeah, we're gonna give you your phone, it's gonna come with everyone, okay? Alright, we're gonna do this away from everybody, and we're gonna get you out of here so no one sees us, okay? Alright?
No transportation tow. The Florida Statute trunk paper, they show a semi off of it. So marking are at mile number 85.
1 second.
Just 1 second, okay? This is
The express
Stay calm, okay? Alright. Here you go. You don't cross your fingers, right? Alright. We're gonna let you. Is that Dad too? Okay. We're gonna let them talk to you real quick, and we're gonna explain to them what they can come do right after this, okay? Alright. Alright. Just search real quick.
Yeah.
I'll talk to my
her
wife.
stuff is on the hood if you want to give it to.
They have a lot of, they have that stuff there, but she shouldn't be in the. She
shouldn't be in there that long.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm saying. If you're able to go
battery
pay her bond, she'll be able to get out
She'll be able to
today.
get out,
Okay,
like,
today?
as soon as like she's done getting processed and everything, as soon as she has the bond money, you can actually probably go there right now and then just wait there and they'll be like, wait till she gets processed. When she's in, you get the bond money, she gets out.
Yeah.
So
it's-
what's the county?
Mom, her stuff is on the trunk of the car. Her if you could just grab it right here.
She's gonna have her phone on her too, so she can make phone calls.
Oh, you want her to keep her phone? So when she get out, she can.
Oh, that's not my phone.
Who phone? Who has her?
That's my phone up there.
Oh shoot! I'm sorry. I forgot I put it up
You
here.
can get the numbers out of your phone, alright? Alright, is she all good?
Is your phone off? Yeah, she's good.
I think. Oh, never mind.
How do you?
You hold it.
I'm gonna turn it off because to save the battery.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So when you get out, it'll be charged, so you can call your parents. Okay.
Well, once we get in the car, so we'll get in the car.
The address, you put the address on, right? You can leave it on.
Just have this. Let me put the seatbelt on you.
Go in there. No, we're gonna go in there. We're gonna do the name. Give it like about. So we get there, and then we have to grab the affidavit real quick, and then they get it. And once she's in, she'll be in the system, and we'll have her bond. Which
Scoot up for just a little bit. I'm gonna grab the seat. Grab the seat. Scoot. There you go.
Yeah, go to the window. Yep. And then Orange County. Yes. Orange County Corrections. Yeah. Booking. Yes. Yeah. Booking Releasing Center is what it's called. But if you type in Orange County Jail on Google, it'll come up. Okay. So I'll explain to you what happened. Okay. Send your mom. So I guess she's claiming that she said something racist to her, which caused her to do what she did. Unfortunately, the statute doesn't allow that you can feel bad at somebody.
Absolutely.
Okay? So we explained that to her. We're trying to keep her calm. That's why we went and put her handcuffs over there and talk
Thank
to
you
her.
for that.
So we wanted to do it over here away from people.
The officer gets an A-. Complete investigation before any arrest. Victim, witnesses, surveillance, then suspect. He moved the arrest away from bystanders and correctly told her the racial provocation could factor into her defense. Accurate, professional policing. The deduction. No Miranda advisement before substantive questioning of his primary suspect. The suspect gets a C+. 19. Clean record, came back voluntarily, cooperated fully. That matters at sentencing. But she attacked from behind while the victim was walking away. That is pursuit, not reaction. Motivation does not change the charge. 3 takeaways. Offensive speech does not give you the right to use force. Disengage, document, report. If you are questioning your primary suspect, read Miranda first. A suppressed statement is a case that falls apart. Secure surveillance footage immediately. It cannot change its story, and here it made the battery charge bulletproof. If there is a body cam video, a police encounter, or a legal question you want us to break down, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one.